Hello, today we'll be looking at Biohazard challenge from web category in Google CTF Community. Objective is to find access in Bio plus site and use it to steal the admin cookies. That's the flag. Purpose of challenge, given strict CSP and trust types enforcement. I wanted to make a challenge which is still vulnerable to access to mimic commonly used setup at Google. Solution library using values such as both open source and introduced a few vulnerabilities such as prototype pollution and HTTP injection, and are also exposed several exploitations like bypass primitives such as DOM clobbering through HTML injection and use of template. The hope was to maximize the potential of unintended solutions so that all of us can learn something out of this challenge. Intended solution. Prototype pollution. Object dot assign is usually not vulnerable to prototype pollutions, such as the following. Object dot assign based on the path protocol true or undefined. However, it is vulnerable when object dot prototype is passed in the first argument. Object dot assign this proto uh, and we do that, we have to pollute it. And main.js have the same vulnerability. Interested objects average UID, etc. etc. Just onload if it's 200, pass the JSON, get all the keys, and if they are undefined, define it as zero object or define as that. And else we do alert the response and go to slash. Access are open bio slash UID false. So we open the page. Therefore, if you send a JSON request which contains underscore underscore property to slash create endpoint, you can cause prototype pollution in the bio slash create post method, the contents, and the proto. So you send it 40. What are you sending? Underscore underscore little. Now you have this pollution. Closure sanitizer bypass. To render user supplied HTML bio introduction, the challenge uses closure sanitizer, and because closure sanitizer can be bypassed with prototype pollution, now you can inject arbitrary attributes into the bio HTML. However, this doesn't lead to excesses as the bio page has strict CSP and trusted types enforced, rewarding excess auditor primitive. Now that we have prototype pollution and HTML injection, with arbitrary attribute control in hand, what should we do? In Bootstrap.js, the editor variable looks suspicious. If location.path starts with new, editor set it to return static editor.js. The editor variable is used in main.js to include an additional script. Trusted resource URL from safe value. Import safe script element from safe value slash one. Function create an object, set the process of trusted resource URL, documented as a child, document controller, on controller, here. Move in where visitor slash view and load files. If we can override the editor variable, we can trigger an access. If you take a look at the closure sanitizer config, you will notice that iframe is specifically allowed. Group.string.const answer equal to group.string sanitizer answer filter is equal to this and filter is answer also allow tags. Iframe is required for review bundle filter option. Sanitizer is equal to answer for all attributes. iframe has your SRC is required for utilize the filter. Our iframe starts with HTTPS colon policy. Okay. We can use this CSP attribute in the iframe to block certain resources that in inside the iframe. We will get this Page inside iframe is same origin as parent, similar to a short primitive. Therefore, you can block bootstrap views from loading. Iframe, BioID, CSP, script, and path closure. Okay. Answer from my eval. Okay. Defining the editor. Since the editor value is undefined inside the iframe, we just need to define. There are two ways of doing this using HTML injection to define editor using the DOM clobbering. Use prototype solution to define editor. Note that since the editor script will be only loaded outside of /u/path, the iframe has to point to something else, such as view/view. This is possible because the challenge is an SPA and always configured to load the main page no matter what the URL is. Here are the POCs for creating SSS bio by running this script in the challenge. The challenge origin is this and the file script, okay, the script path is this. Um, first response create polluted with hobbies photo ID is equal to true, star ID colon true. First bio response, second bio. We are doing the introduction as an iframe. The iframe we are adding CSP, CPL, and something CSP to create. Second bio addition location is set to second bio ID. Prototype solution. Const the challenge origin is vendor to the origin. Put your text file script. We are using the script. Mhm. Try dash document. Okay. This is switched on an idea. So content and hyphen type application association. Editor is $x file. Okay. General variable. Const first bio equal to other first response. That is the second. User ID. Okay, there are two solutions. One is using DOM plugin and one is using private application.